Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I have a 2011 Stingray with only 51 hours on the clock. All the seller did was buff and wax, clean, detail, buff and wax, clean, detail. He had a multitude of other boats to run and just didn't have the time to drive this much. Super clean. Comes equipped with VHF. Also has a small Garmin, never used, ready to be plugged in. This is 21 foot but 24 foot length overall. They call it a 215LR. Really good size headspace. Little porta-john. Can tell you it's never been used. Up at the bow you have the filler cushions in place here, as you can see. You also have a ladder and anchors, dedicated storage. Volume control for your radio. Excellent condition, guys. Brand new, you're looking at almost $100,000 for 51 hours. We're letting this go for about 44. My name is Derek, SkipperBud's Grand Haven. Love to come in. Love for you to come in. Take a look at this.